How to fix Instagram black screen. If you are using the Instagram app and you open the Instagram but all you see is a black screen, don't panic. I've got some simple solutions to fix this. So let's get started. The first step is to restart the Instagram app. Restart Instagram is simple but effective. Sometimes all it takes is closing the app completely and reopening it. To do this, simply double tap your home button just like this, and here you can find the restart option and you can simply restart. The next step is to check your internet connection. A poor connection can prevent Instagram from loading properly, causing a black screen. Try switching from the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and see if that fixes the problem. Step 3 is to clear Instagram cache. This can help if the app's data is corrupted, which might be causing the issue. For that, go to the settings, then tap onto general right here, then tap onto iPhone storage, then scroll down and find the Instagram just right here. Now select it, then tap onto offload app, and after offloading the app, the cache will be cleared of the Instagram. Don't forget to reinstall it after offloading the app. And the final step is to update the Instagram. For that, go to the App Store and open the Instagram, and if there is the update version, you can simply tap on to update. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app, as bugs and glitches like this are often fixed with the updates. And there you have it. Those are my top steps to fix the black screen issue on the Instagram. Hopefully one of these fixes worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.